In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use Netflix Party, now called Teleparty, to watch movies and show your friends remotely. First thing you want to do is open a new tab. Search for Teleparty or Netflix Party. They will both bring you to the same place. Once you're on the Teleparty website, click on Get Teleparty for free. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store. From here, click Add to Chrome to install the extension. The extension is official with over 10 million users, so you know it's safe to use. After it's installed, you will get a notification saying it was successfully added. Now you'll need to pin the Teleparty extension to your browser for easy access. Go to the top right of your browser, click on the puzzle piece icon, and click the pin icon next to Teleparty. Once that's done, click on Accept and proceed on the Teleparty website. Now head back to Netflix and choose a show or movie you want to watch with your friends. Once you have picked something, pause the video. Then click on Teleparty extension at the top right of the Chrome. If you don't see it, click the extensions button and find Teleparty there. After clicking on it, you will be given the option to either allow just you or others to control playback. I will leave it as everyone having control for now, and that's up to you. Press start the party and the chat sidebar will open up. Now you can copy the party URL and send it to your friends so they can join. They will need to log into their Netflix accounts to join the party. Once they join, everything will shine up. And as you can pause or play the video, it will show up in the chat so everyone's in sync. You can also send messages in the chat while you are watching, which is a lot of fun. Once you're done, you can choose the chat sidebar by clicking on the close chat button at the top. And when you are ready to stop the party, click on the Teleparty icon in the top right of the Chrome and again press disconnect. Your Netflix will return to normal after that, and that's it. You now know how to use Teleparty to enjoy movies and friends remotely. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.